here so before I put it into the oven to bake. All right, when I finish punching some holes in here, I'm gonna do it with oil, then I'm gonna base it with some oil. Some oil. Remember, I washed this potato before I do so. I must let you guys know that this potato has been washed. All right, so now I'm gonna finish basting it with some oil. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt all over, and I have a flat sheet. All right, I'm not using too much, maybe a pinch of salt. Okay, and I have a flat sheet that I'm going to use. I just baste it with the line it with the paper, foil paper. Okay, I'm going to place it in the oven now. So now that the potato has baked, it baked for 1 hour 50 minutes. All right, and the way I know it, I stick it and it's soft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cool down a little, but before I do so, I must let you see the other ingredient that I'm going to be using, which is some cayenne pepper. I have some white pepper. I have some garlic powder. Again, some real bacon bits, some butter. I'm going to use a little salt, and this is some bacon. Right, I'm trying to pat dry it because I don't want any liquid or water in it. Okay, this is turkey bacon. You can use any bacon of your choice. Okay, and some butter. Stay tuned. I'm not going to use too much of butter so it could be runny. I'm just going to give a little butter to taste. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut a tip of this potato like this off, and I'm going to get a spoon and dig out inside of this potato here, leaving the skin. All right, stay tuned. So this is the potato. When I dig it out in the middle, I'm gonna mash it and then add the bacon bits. All right, and then I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, a little butter, so I'm gonna add the bacon bits. Okay, I'm not using the whole pack. Okay, I'm gonna add some ginger powder. I have some white pepper and some cayenne pepper. Now this is optional because sometimes people don't like too much of spice in the life. Just a tip of butter. All right, and I'm gonna combine it together. Oh yeah, some parsley leaf. See this? Ooh. I'm gonna show you the potato when I done take it out. What it look like. Now you don't have to put everything that I use here. It's optional. All right, so this is it, and finish mixing. All right, I know the lighting is kind of a little bad. I'm sorry about that. This is it. When I finish mixing it, and this is the potato that I'm gonna be stuffing. All right, I will be calling this baked potato volcano baked potato. Okay, you can use sour cream if you want. I'm not going to be using sour cream into this. I'll be using this barbecue sauce to base outside of the potato when I finish wrapping it with the bacon. All right, any bacon, any barbecue sauce of your choice. I'm sorry, stay tuned. I'm gonna do just 2 and let you see. I'm gonna add this potato, stuff the potato back into this here. All right, put it to the top. All right, and then I'm gonna use the bacon, wrap it right away around using a toothpick, all right, to keep it together. Okay, I'm gonna do another one and show you. When I finish stuffing all, I'll show you the next step. Make sure that you fill it up. Okay. Remember the potato that you're going to be using to make this, make sure it's the potato that you use to bake in, not the ordinary potato, because I'm telling you guys, this potato gave me hell in order to get soft. I had to eventually, because even though I bake it for an hour, when I start cutting it inside, it's still kind of a little hard, so I had to do it again. So make sure so you're using the ones that is set for baking purposes. Okay, this wasn't for the baking. Stay tuned. So after wrapping it with the bacon, okay, I remember I using turkey bacon. You could use any one of your choice. So I'm gonna base this with the barbecue sauce now. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in the oven to bake. Okay, and we're gonna bake this with this. Okay, if you have enough bacon, you could do it double the wrapping. Okay, I don't have enough, so I'm just using this. I'm using what I have. All right, so put it right back on the baking sheet. All right, when it finished basting and everything, I'm gonna put right back there. All right, see it. So when I finish, before I put it in the oven, I'd show you guys again one more time. So this is it. I'm gonna add some cheese on the top of it, and then I'm gonna put it into the oven to bake. Continue the process for half an hour. Okay, 15 minutes to half an hour, I'm sorry. All right, stay tuned. So this is it. Okay, I'm gonna put another coat of barbecue sauce on it and put it in back for another 50 minutes, and then it's done. All right, so now I'm gonna put it back after done basting it again, and I add some more cheese. Stay tuned. So this is it. I'm gonna cut it and let you see. All right, inside of it, I'm holding the camera while he's cutting it too. This is inside of it, okay? This is the toothpick is in here. I gotta pull it out. If you like it, please subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think, okay? Volcano baked potato. Thanks for watching.